Hey guys, hope you're all doing fine. So let's start the episode.
It's true,
I come downstairs as my head was spinning so hard. I want medicine. I saw Jin Opa was sitting on the couch. He was using his mobile. Why, Opa, he looks at me and smiles. Jin, what happened? Why, Opa, my head, my throat, everything is so hurting. I want medicine. Teary eyes. Jin immediately stand up and walk towards me. Jin, I already sent maid with medicine. Didn't she give you? I shook my head. He sighed, he called maid and gave me medicine to eat. Vayan, thank you, Opa, eat it. Jin, smiles, now go and take proper rest. I nodded my head and leave from there. I enter on the ruin and see Jungkook was seeing his match. My eyes widen. He got to know that I lied to him. Now I have to pretend. Vayan, oh Opa, you're seeing match? I want to use Jungkook throw remote at me and I catch it. Jungkook, go and see. My eyes were in shock at how Jungkook Oppa gave me permission to watch in his time, but before I can say anything, he left. Why? Strange. But I shrugged and started watching TV instead. Time skip. I come to the pool area where Jeho was already present on pool. Jeho, come princess, let's enjoy. Smiles. My eyes widen. Jeho Oppa never allowed me to swim 2 days straight, but now he is offering me. What happened to the house today? Why, Oppa, but yesterday I swam. Jeho, so what? Come, I'm not enjoying alone here. I nodded my head and smiled before jumping on pool. With him, he immediately splashed water on me and I chuckled loudly. Time skip. I was using mobile phone straight from 2 hours, but no one is stopping me. Even Sugar Oppa checked on me 2 times, but he didn't scold me. Why no one in the house stopped me and scolded me today? Just then, Jimin and Taeyang Oppa enter on the room. Taeyang, princess, let's eat ice cream, he said while placing ice cream in front of me. My eyes were in shocked. Wine. My throat is hurting badly, Oppa, I said. Jimin, oh whiny, what one ice cream will do? Wine, Oppa, you don't want to scold me? Taeyang, scold you? Why would we? Yesterday we also eat a lot, giggle. My eyes burned. Are they taunting me? But I didn't say anything and silently eat with them. Time skip. They all were eating dinner while talking, but only Vayan was silently eating. Suddenly, everyone noticed her silence. Sugar, what happened, princess? Why so silence? I shook my head. Vayan, nothing, Oppa, everything is fine. Smile. Namjoon, princess, something really off today. I shook my head again. Vayan, everything is fine. Jungkook, I caught you, Whiny. You didn't start your summer pack yet. My eyes widened and I looked at him in shock as he caught my lie. Jungkook, I was going to stall, but you didn't complete it. I looked down and everyone on the table chuckled. My eyes widened again. Why, you will not score me? Namjoon, why would we? Smile. Why? Because I lied to you. Looks down. Jeho, so it was just a joke. You just joked to us, right? Laughing. My eyes narrow at his words. Why they are not taking serious to me today? Why they are not caring that I lie to them and disobey them? I thought. Why, Oppa, what happened to you all today? Jimin, what happened to us? Princess, we are absolutely fine. I shook my head. Fine. You stop caring about my action. Dang, but you're the only one who wants that, right? Sugar, didn't you the one who lied to us for escaping from our schooling? I looked down in shame. Namjoon, why are you not speaking now? Didn't we give you that knowledge to speak lie? He scolds. I shook my head. Jungkook, you lied to us whole time, princess. We scold you because we want good for you. You use everything, but for moderate time. Everything has a limit, princess. I nodded my head, understanding them. Jeho, if we are stopping you for something, that means we want good for you. We gave you facilities, TV, mobile phone, and everything else, but we can take those from you if you lie to us again. Scold. They all were scolding me, and whole time I was looking down. Jin, now stop you all. Silent films on the room. Jin, she understands. She will never lie to us again. I nodded my head, and they all smiled to me. Wayan, I'm sorry, Oppa. I will not do this again. They all smiled to me. Sugar, it's okay, princess. We love you. That's why we scold you. I nodded my head. I finished my dinner, and after saying goodbye to them, I ran to my bedroom. Jane, your plan works. Smiled to Sugar. Sugar, after all, I'm so genius. They all chuckled loudly. The end. Never speaks lie, even in worse situation. It's a very bad habit. It makes situation 100 times worse. Bye.